Hi, I'm Alina and I'm with Expert Village and I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful transfer polymer bracelet. For this next step, we're going to create the beads that go on our transfer bracelet. You're going to take a device to slice the log. You can use a regular knife or you can use a piece of plastic, and you're going to cut it into 5 different pieces. 3, 4, 5. The next step is to take your roller, and what you're going to do is you're going to want to flatten the pieces to about 1/4 of an inch thick and work the pieces until you get kind of a square shape. And don't worry if it's not perfectly square, because after we make our shape, we're going to take our slicer and we're going to even out the edges. So you're going to take your slicing device or anything like a ruler, anything that you can comfortably hold and use to shape the squares. So you're going to take them and you're going to try to give them a more square-like shape, a more even shape, and just trim off any excess that you may have. And once you have a perfect square, you can go ahead and trace that square, and then you can mold all the other squares after it. I find it's a lot easier to just trace one bead and then do the rest just like it. That way they'll be somewhat even. And you take your tool and you press against the sides like this. Use your finger to push the clay. And keep the tool on the other side. And now we have nice, even, beautiful square beads.